Ay, sorry kayo sa technical problem, ha? Saan ito man, gawas mo yung bakalan si Isa, sa gipalong na. Okay, for the second gas burner sa Boston Bay. Rolling. Let the wheel roll. Ang maswerte pangalan ay si Garcia. Up. Sazona.
From spaghetti to Brazil. David and Fisher up. Oh, congratulations.
Wagin natin. Takyas.
Congratulations.
Isa na lang.
Picture.
Picture. Wagin tani. Sa mundo na lang kaligid sa mudawang tani.
Picture. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Last prize.
It's a Hyundai Ultra HD Smart.
Wow.
Ay, nagawas dok.
Smart TV na kita. Ay, nagawas.
Let's go. 43-inch
TV.
Roletta rolling.
Nilagyan mo mabahan eh. Sino pa? Habis pa. Never been used, never been because.
Congratulations.
Go! Nasa TV lang yun ang kinangat ka ron. Gihasa ka TV guys. Congratulations sa Benji. Nasakpan ko. Congratulations everyone. Before we end, dito naman gusto makatawad sila 7,000! Okay. Before we end, let us give our undivided attention to our Vice President for Finance, Ma'am Wintonet Tabudlong, for her closing remarks. Ma'am.